dolls, so I'm going to be telling you dolls about this wig and some promotions and everything that they have going on. I did one side baby hairs and one side without, so you can see, you know, which way you want to style it or whatever. Okay, so let's just get into it because I have some information for you dolls. So if y'all want to see where this wig is from and some great deals and everything like that, then keep on watching. Okay dolls, so this wig is from Megalook on AliExpress, and I'm hot y'all, so I don't want to turn the fan up though because it's gonna be loud. But yeah, so this is from Megalook on AliExpress, and I have a 26-inch 180 density, I believe. This kind of feels a little short for that, so maybe I picked the shorter length. I can't remember. I will have the info listed down below, and I will pop it up on the screen as well. So they are having a back to school wig sale, which I will have everything linked down below for y'all, but I'm just going to go over a few things that they wanted me to cover. I have some coupon codes for you dolls that I will link down below. This is a glueless wig. I don't know if I said that. There are no combs or anything in this wig, which you will see once we get into it. The first thing is they're going to be doing a spin the wheel at the pop-up. So they're going to be having a pop-up in LA, and you'll have a chance to spin the wheel in the front of the shop to take home a prize. There's going to be a frisbee, teddy bear, and to be determined, and also a $5 AE coupon, a $10 AE coupon, and a $20 AE coupon. AE is AliExpress, depending on where the wheel lands. So it depends, you know, y'all spin the wheel, wherever it lands, you can win one of these prizes. No purchase necessary, so you can use it for whatever you want. And then number 2, a golden ticket grand prize. Visitors who come to the pop-up shop will be able to download the app, and then you'll be entered into a drawing where you can get a ticket and you can participate in the grand prize. So there will be one winner who will win $1,000, one winner who will win $500, and then 2 winners who will win $250. And then at the end of the pop-up campaign, AliExpress will announce the winner based on the ticket number that has been randomly drawn by them, and then also an announcement on social medias, like, you know, Instagram and everything like that. No purchase necessary. And then this will go on August the 19th through the 20th at the Grove, 189 the Grove Drive, Los Angeles, California 90036, in the courtyard in front of the Nike store, roughly around 10 to 9 p.m. I'm not sure about those times because that seems kind of late, but I will link everything down below to make sure that they have the times right and everything like that. And then the second one is August 22nd through the 23rd, Santa Monica Pier by the Pier Burger. I don't know. 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And then the last one is August 25th through the 27th, Glendale Galleria, 100 West Broadway, Glendale, California, 91210 by JCPenney's, roughly 10 to 9. I'm not sure if all of these are supposed to be from AM to PM because it doesn't say, but I will have the times and the locations and everything listed down below for y'all if you are interested. So let's get into the video because that was a real long-winded announcement to start the video off with. So yeah. Okay dolls, so this is how the wig looks out of the box. So you can see the highlights in the wig and the natural body wave pattern of the wig. And then this is the lace on the wig, so you can see how thin the lace is and the knots and everything. This is how it comes fresh out of the box. I did not bleach or pluck or anything like that. Sorry y'all, Amiri has hiccups and she's right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on and just kind of see what it's giving. It was already styled like in a middle part, so I decided to keep that. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the wig back off and go ahead and cut the lace off because it is easier like that, especially if you are a beginner. You might not want to keep it on your head so you can really see what you're doing, and you just want to cut as close to the hairline as possible. So yeah, that's what I did. I just went ahead and took it off just to make it easier. Plus, it's not glued down or anything like that, so the wig kind of shifts around whenever you have it on your head, just depending on how you want to do it. So once I cut the lace off, I went ahead and put the wig back on, And you can see what it's given. To me, it definitely kind of could use a little bit more plucking, but I went ahead and left the wig as is. And since it was body wave, I did go ahead and put some curls in the hair. So I'm just using this large curling iron to do so. And I'm taking fairly large sections, and I didn't blow the hair out first or anything like that. I find that if hair is a body wave texture, it will hold a curl just fine, and it'll straighten out good enough without having to flat iron it first or anything. So I'm just going through and putting some big curls in the hair to comb out so that the hair can have a nice little curl to it. So really easy peasy. Y'all know how to do this. I kind of just left some of these clips in so you can see what I'm doing, and you can also see that the hair is smoothing out, although it was a little bit frizzy at first, and you know, it had the body wave texture to it. It kind of smooths out and just gives you a nice curl. So you can see how the curls are looking. And I'm just going to continue to curl my hair, and then I will come back and finish up the voiceover. Okay, so I also did put some cream foundation in the parting area just to make it match better and more seamless with my skin tone. But the lace already looked really good without me bleaching the knots or anything like that. And I didn't put any foundation or anything on the inside of the wig. So I'm just using a edge brush to kind of like comb it in, and also my curling iron just to make sure that it's not on the hair, and then just repositioning the wig. So this is how it looks, and then I'm gonna go in and comb out the curls because I don't want to keep them super tight, and then I'm just gonna play around and style the wig. So yeah, that pretty much is it. Y'all will see the completed look of the hair and the back of it and everything like that once we get into the end of the video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and love ya. Okay, y'all, so this completes the look of the hair. So I will have all of the info listed down below for y'all if you want to enter in to win anything, or you can attend the pop-up But yeah, this hair is really nice. It turned out cute. It's a cute length. I like the highlights, and like I said, I did the one side with the baby hair for anyone who, you know, prefers baby hair. It's starting to kind of lift up, but I like the more sleek side. I think that looks really good with this wig because it just flows. But yeah, so if y'all have questions, you can leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.